Y'all gonna figure it out. But I'm gonna put some on for y'all so y'all know. Y'all know the secret. Hey everybody, Kobe here with Our Unique World, coming to you with our very first YouTube video. Can you believe it? So, I wanted to introduce myself, tell you a little bit about me, show my face, let you know what is with it, what it's like, and let you know why I'm starting a YouTube channel, why you should watch my YouTube channel, why you should take your time out and be watching me, because you're going to want to watch me, because I'm crazy and I'm silly and I tell the truth. I don't really care about your feelings. If you don't want to hear it, then you shouldn't ask me. That's just my thing. So with that being said, why am I starting a YouTube channel? It really all came from, it's all really about my daughter. That's really my motivation here, and that's why I think that I'm gonna keep this going. I ain't gonna stop. It ain't gonna quit, because it's about my daughter and my 8-year-old daughter Elena. She she's a YouTube. She watches YouTube like ain't nobody business. Like, it drives me crazy beyond psycho. But she watches it. She likes it. I keep it under control. She can't watch all that crazy stuff. But she likes, a lot of people. Shout out to the Jaegers, because she with y'all. But, yeah, and I did just transfer and look at the camera, because I realized that I've been looking at myself like for a minute and 19 seconds. So, hello. Now I'm talking to y'all, obviously, because I was talking to myself for a whole minute. But anyway, so she likes them and she likes it, but her confidence is declined, with just the recent transitions we've been going through, the new schools, and kind of being bullied sometimes with certain things. So but she's talented. She knows how to do all that, making the slime and the make a cake with clay and make a pancake into a face, and blindfolding, throwing the text at the map so you know what store you going to. And when you ask her what she wants, she talking about she want Gucci, because they buying Gucci on these YouTube channels. They getting iPhone store hauls and all that on YouTube, these YouTube channels. So I'm looking like, girl, the biggest haul you gonna get like is Target. What you mean? The biggest haul you about to get, honey, is Target Gucci? You must be out your mind. But anyway, back to what we was talking about. So, she was like, Mom, I can't, I don't want to be on camera. I'm not comfortable with that. We tried it once, and she was just like so nervous and just so crazy, and I told her that, she thought she wasn't, cute enough. She doesn't do the stuff that they do. She can't have a YouTube channel because she's not a YouTube girl, and she ain't wearing Gucci and she ain't doing this. And I was like, that's all crap. That's all crap. So I, hey, why not? She's like, Mommy, I'm not doing a YouTube channel. You ain't doing a YouTube channel. You've been saying you're doing a YouTube channel forever. And again, my daughter 8, so she ain't no fool. You've been saying you're going to do a YouTube channel forever, Mom. And she checked me. She put me in my place. I'm going to be honest with you. So I was like, you know what? You're right. I did say I was going to do the YouTube channel. I was going to showcase my personality. I was going to tell y'all about my business. I was going to do this. I've been saying I was going to do it, so why not? I'm going to show my daughter that I can do it. Anybody can do it. She's beautiful. We going to get that black girl magic back. So with that being said, y'all hear me? With that being said, I have started my YouTube channel officially again. And I am happy about it. So I think that answers the question about why I'm starting this YouTube channel. What I'm going to do on this YouTube channel now. Aha! 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 That is another question. I feel that I'm going to be, talking about my business, my lip gloss business, my lip gloss line, how I've started it, how I've gotten it, with, I don't make a bunch of money. I'm an at-home mom. My husband's, he works, and he's taking everything. So we ain't got a bunch of money to be flying off the chain with. So I'm, starting my lip gloss business. I'm doing it, and I've, figured out how to make it and figure out the different things that need to be done. So, I'm not a person who finds a secret and then wants to hold the secret because, oh my God, that means you're going to get so many competitors. Why are you telling everybody your secrets? I think that we all need to be out here making money. I think that there's enough money to go around. I think that, there are different things that you can do in regards to your business that will put you in front of a different person. So why not tell somebody how to do it? Why not tell somebody how to make no money? Now, don't get me wrong, I ain't in here making hundreds and thousands of dollars on that bitch. I'm not. But I have, you know, made my first couple of sales. I have done it successfully. You know, my website's about to be up. I've done the basics. I know the basics that it takes to get something like a lip gloss line, you know, started. I don't ask me about nothing else. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna, you know, I'm entrepreneur for life. You know, I'm gonna continue. I have motivation of a tiger, you know, but right now it's about my lip gloss, and right now it's about cosmetics. We're gonna go into face washes. We're gonna go into hair care. You know, speaking of hair care, me and my daughter, again, my daughter Elena, we're gonna do a big chop and, you know, start our hair care off right, you know, and get it together and show her again that we are beautiful. Don't matter your skin color, don't matter your hair color, don't matter you're nothing. You are beautiful, period. My daughter is gorgeous. I mean, I might just post a picture right here so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Because, hunty, me and my husband, them two, boop, boop, them two right there, those are some cute kids. Don't even, you can't even tell me them two ain't cute. Oh my God. So, anyway, I'm doing this for her. And I'm going to show her that we are special and we are somebody, and she is beautiful and she is gorgeous. And she going to be on here. Y'all going to see her. Her hair going to be getting done. She going to start her own lip gloss. She going to be doing her thing. We ain't going to stop. Mommy motivation. Hashtag mommy motivation. So, you know what? How about I tell y'all about me? I've been talking about my kids. I'm a mom. All I can talk about is my kids. How about I tell y'all about me? Me. Again, I'm Kobe. Again, this is our unique world that you're tuning into, about to get your subscribe on. I am 29 years old. I have 2 daughters. One is 8. One is 1.5. She'll be 2, and she bad as all get out. She don't care. So, you know, that's her. You'll hear her eventually. If her sister here, she here. So you'll see her. You'll see her terrorizing, but it's hard. It's all right. And I'm married. You know, me and my husband together 10 years. We ain't going nowhere. It ain't gonna change. You know, our daughters, our family, and we gonna make it. We gonna do it. We been doing it. You know, should I even talk about marriage stuff? He drive me crazy. He get on my nerves. He off the chain. But I love him till my heart stopped beating, and he knows that. And you know, we making it. So that's all that matters. We a family and we doing it. And you got a problem with it, then peace out. So anyway, yeah, that's about me. I've talked about my daughter. I've talked about why I wanted to start a business. What else do I need to talk about? I need to talk about Kobe kisses. That's what I need to talk about. That's what y'all need to know about. Y'all need to know about Kobe's kisses now. And I made a video about it earlier, and I really kind of liked it. So I'm going to just edit that video right on into this real quick. It was like 5 seconds ago. Same hairstyle, same look, same everything in this club getting tipsy. But before I do, I'm going to show y'all this anyway. Because it's just too good not to show twice. Why wouldn't you want to see it twice? That's Kobe Kisses. That's that diamond chick. Excuse my hands, excuse my nails again. I ain't making a bunch of money. I ain't like them YouTube girls that got they, you know, nails on fleek, they hair on 12. They doing that motherfucking thing. This video won. This video won. So, yeah, again, Kobe's Kisses. That's that diamond chick. Kobe's Kisses, diamond chick. Check me out. I'm gonna wear some, put some on for y'all so y'all can see what that's like in these streets. Very soft, very moisturizing, very cute. Anyway, back to me. Oh, watch out, them clothes. Again, I'm a mom, so I ain't gonna front for y'all. I got clothes to wash. I got all kind of. Y'all see this little square y'all getting? This is the clean square of my house, so y'all better be lucky y'all getting it, okay? Well, yeah, I guess that's it. With that being said, again, I am Kobe. Follow me on Instagram at Eunique Beauty. Follow me on Instagram at Kobe's Kisses. Get your lip gloss on. Y'all see it's popping. Okay, let me, as a matter of fact, I am gonna edit the video in for y'all because, I'll just do it real quick. Y'all saw the lip gloss. Y'all see it? Diamond chick. Y'all see it? I got a bunch more for y'all to handle on, okay? And for my exotic dancers, I got a turquoise that's on that fleek. So let me put it on my arm instead so y'all could, you know, really see it. Because I don't want y'all to get all close to these. They bite. You know what I'm saying? They'll bite us quick. So there goes that glimmer oil. It's an oil. Y'all see I ain't ashy no more because I was ashy. And there she is. Is she glowing? Is she glowing for y'all? Is she glowing for y'all? So there they are. Body oil spray. Diamond Chick gloss. Y'all know y'all ain't ready. Y'all ain't ready for this motivation. Let me tell y'all right now. Y'all ain't ready for this motivation, but I'm about to bring it to you. So I don't know how many times I'll post. I don't know how many right now at this point. This is like take 12. Okay, so listen, a person got to take a coffee break. Okay, so be the way I love coffee. If you don't like coffee, I don't even think you should say nothing to me about not liking coffee, because I might go off on you, because coffee is my friend, okay? Friend, coffee, I coffee, friend. Got me? So with that being said, I'm about to be outro. Like I said, I'm about to take my coffee break. It's like early as hell in the morning, and I'm about to do what I got to do. So follow my channel, subscribe below, check me out on Instagram, check me out on Facebook. Be sure to turn on your notifications because I'm going to be posting videos like crazy. The next video I post is going to be about Kobe Kisses, all about Kobe's Kisses. I'm going to show y'all how I make my lip gloss, what I do with it, how I package it. This whole channel, I'm going to show y'all so much lip gloss and business stuff. Every time I do a new business, I'm going to be showing y'all how to do it. So be ready because I'm ready to show y'all that motivation. Motivation. I got to find a song for that. Anyway, so have a good day, and I'll see you soon.